Whip up a decadent Italian meringue and add a dose of patience. That's what it takes to make some homemade macaroons. We're told it's not hard, but there is an art to it. That's why this popular food craft lands in the Studio 5 Project Corner.
Oh, they look good. So we just finished a macaroon class here at Orson Gygi. I'm so excited because we teach this class a couple times a month and the students always make such beautiful cookies. This is our instructor, Caroline Drake. Caroline has mastered the French macaroon and we're excited to share a few tips with you guys today how you can master these fancy cookies. So what do you think makes the best macaroon?
It's kind of time and tools, so you gotta definitely make sure that you take the time to prepare all the ingredients and measure them out correctly with kitchen scale. You want to age your egg whites for at least 5 days, I find is best. You definitely want to have a stand mixer and all the different colors of the Americolor gel. Food coloring definitely makes like all the different colors of macaroons that you can customize to your events or parties or holidays.
When I've made them before, sometimes they're a little skiwampus, different shapes, so what do you do to make sure it's piped correctly?
When I do it, I tell them to put the tip nice and close and then definitely squeeze without over squeezing and then have it nice and centered so that you're not moving the tip around, it's just staying put.
Then once you throw them in the oven and then you bake them, and then do you let them rest on your cookie sheet for a while?
Yes, we let them form a skin, and so they have to kind of get that nice crust on top first. And
before you bake it?
Yes, before we bake. And then after we bake, we pull them out, let them cool off, and then we get them filled with our buttercreams, different flavors. You can do ganaches. Pretty much there's no end in sight to the variety of flavors that you can put inside. So today we just made like a simple vanilla buttercream that we're filling them with. And then you just put a good amount, and then you're gonna sandwich it on top, and then just do like a cute little half twist, and then it's ready to go.
How to make French macaroons has been a popular class at the Orson Gygi Kitchen in downtown Salt Lake. Check out their website for a full class schedule.